Start by opening the top cover. Release the left and right levers of the platen roller and turn them upright. Pull it upward to remove the platen roller. Install the platen roller and affix it by rotating the left and right levers. Check the operation. Connect the cable connector of the AC adapter to the power connector. Connect the AC power cord to the AC adapter and plug into an outlet. Open the top cover and load paper. Turn on the power while pressing the feed key to perform the test print. Check the operation.